All right, it's like my second time recording this vid. I fucked up the first time and the second time. It's like my third time. But nonetheless, we finna go over these trades that we took to secure max payout within the first trading day. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've never gotten max payout secured in Asia alone. Really within one trade. I didn't get the full like balance in one trade, but I had the balance secured in one trade, if that makes sense. But nonetheless, let's get into this trade recap. So if we come into Asia Open, I didn't trade New York Open. Even though I had the opportunity to activate this account like some days ago, I didn't. I'm not gonna lie, I literally didn't. Like I just been pacing myself instead of trying to like force myself. And that has definitely made a shift. I see it. But let's hop into the recap. So coming into Asia Open, I wanted longs. And the only reason why I wanted longs is because we had this 4 hour. Oh, sorry, we had this 4 hour. We tapped into this 4 hour. Out for this 4 hour, we got true displacement out of it. So out of seeing this true displacement out of this 4 hour right here, out of this 4 hour, I wanted to see some type of, you know, rebalance higher. Now, we did open up a 4 hour within this true displacement that we had. So out of this, I wanted to see a continuation long. So if we drop down to the hourly, even at 15 and 5 minute, I'm just gonna be on the hourly for now. But if we drop down to the hourly, bro, you can literally see we put in the SMT at previous day low. So when we put in this SMT, I'm like, okay, is it gonna hold though? Because I did see that. If y'all can see, I marked up. I just don't got it titled. But we had a bullish SMT and a bearish SMT, like literally stacked in between a range of OTE. So this trade was very discretionary. I'm not gonna lie. And the first trade lost. Like the first trade lost. And if I didn't have discretion of OTE with the SMT and just seeing the displacement and knowing what I know, the account would have got blue, bro. And let me tell y'all this too. It'll be so easier on the psychology, on your stress, because you know how this trading shit get. It'll be so easier for you, bro, to just get it either the first day or blow the account the first day, bro. Now, don't get me wrong. I know we talk about consistency a lot, but with these prop firms, bro, especially flex accounts, if and these daily accounts that just came out too, you really just want to go for one big day, bro, and just get it out the way instead of trying to stack up big days and then take out a big payout. I mean, it's always how you can play the game. I'm not gonna lie. Let me put y'all on game real quick. Yeah, we going over this recap, but let me put y'all on game. If you just take all winning days, like 5 winning days, and take a payout, let's do this math real quick, bro, because me and my brother was talking about this. Let's say, winning days is 150 times five, right? 150 times five with a 50% profit split. So that divided by two is like 375, bro. Excuse me. That's $375, bro, for doing jack shit, bro. Literally. Literally, bro. Now let's just say you had 5 accounts. Okay. Let's times this by five. Bro, that is a $1,800 payout, bro. That's a max payout on one account just for going for winning days. If you're max allocated. And if not, you can just run up that 375 and then just keep doubling it, keep doubling it, keep doubling it. I mean, yeah, you got to pass that eval, but once you get that pass, bro, and you just farm them winning days, that's another way to milk these prop firms, bro. But back to the trade recap. So, I don't even know where he was at. I know I wanted longs. You had unfilled 4 hour. SMT. We was in between OT at a range with two SMT stacked on top of each other. I tried longs. The SMT held, so at that point I knew like we want to go short. And we had OT at a range that was getting respected perfectly, bro. Then we had draws lower. So at that point I'm bought. I just said that totally weird, but I'm bought. So the first trade that I caught was a continuation short to daily gap. So let's go back to compass. Oh no, first trade was the loss, and then the second trade was the break even. So no. I'm saying that wrong. The first trade was the loss. The second trade was to just give me a little bit of more profit to be able to risk more, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's all that was. And then the third trade was this continuation short to this daily gap we had. If you go to the daily, bro, if you see this gap, it's hidden, but it's there. Like we had this small daily gap, and that was one of the draws I had marked up, and I wanted to see get rated, and got rated. But um, off of us sweeping daily gap and how like when I tell we was displacing so fast to daily gap, I'm like, okay, that ain't the draw. I mean, yeah, we want to be bears, but there's something under us that we want to go to. So popped out, zoomed out basically. Seen that we had AM low. So once I seen we had AM low, I'm like, okay, that's definitely probably the draw. With this unfilled 4 hour, with that SMT at the high, with OTE at the range, I was sold. I literally hopped in this trade. I knew it wasn't going to TP. Like this trade was so clear as day, bro. Like that imbalance right there that y'all see, those are probably gonna be some of the best trades that you take, bro. Not fair value, yeah. I mean, yes, but price just really feeling the imbalance. Because if you had the mindset, oh, it's a fair value gap right there, and you enter right here, you would have got, bro. You would have got, bro. You, yeah, yeah. So it's like actually understanding when we gonna go to that draw. Don't get me wrong. Every draw is gonna get hit. It's just a matter of when. And off of that short that I told y'all we called for AM low, it was a continuation short 7R. I don't think we had any drawdown because I did get in off of the true displacement. I got hit BE. No true displacement for that daily gap. Got hit BE, got back in for continuation, and then we got full draw. So sometimes when you do take trades, as long as you're on the right side of the bias, you might have to take like 1, 2 to 3 trades probably before getting the actual move. You might get hit out a few times, not a few times. You might get hit out, you might get stopped out, but as long as you're on the right side of the table and you know like what the draw is, like for example, how I put all of the pieces of the puzzle together to understand that we want to go lower, it'll save you so much, bro. But nonetheless, though, y'all, I think, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show y'all this one more time. Next time y'all see this, we should have winning days secured. I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna make recaps of every winning day. This way, I'll take trades that I know, because y'all know how winning day get. If you know, you know. But nonetheless, though, bro, I'm gonna come back at y'all tomorrow. Yeah, for winning day. It'll be in open though. It's not gonna be Asia because I learned my lesson with that too. But nonetheless, I'm gonna holla at y'all boys when I holla at y'all boys. Peace.